TST, a solutions company. In this video today, we're going to cover the auto-constrained surface command, the power and flexibility that it has to combine multiple surface commands inside of one operation. So under our solid dropdown, we have an option called auto-constrained surfaces. So in auto-constrained surfaces, what you can do is find an area, and if you have curves, you can window those curves in. All you have to do is hit the preview button, and you can see you end up with a really nice surface. You also have different options inside of the auto-constrain command where you can choose between different types of surfacing to get different results. To accept that, all you have to do is hit the green check. Makes it super simple and easy to use this command. You can also use this command on things such as this, where I have a hole in this part. I just right click to skip the curves, I press and hold and grab the edge boundary and hit preview, and it previews a nice end-sided patch for me. I can accept that and move on to the next one. I don't have any curves, I just right click, press and hold, and I grab my boundary, and it's super simple and easy to use this auto-constrain command for stuff such as this. Now on stuff where I do have curves, again I can just window and hit preview and select the type of surface I want. I also have a choice inside of this command to select create a surface, a thick surface, or a solid. So if I say create a thick surface, and I come down onto this command, I can enter a value in this box and create a thick surface. Super quick and easy to be able to create multiple different types of surfaces in one command. Again, it's just window, preview. If you like what you see, you can accept it. Window, preview, accept. More complicated shapes, window, preview. Now again, do I want a thick surface or do I want a solid? With closed shapes like this, it's super quick and easy to create solids. You can then use those solids as they are or use them as subtract bodies for cavities. We can also use different types of geometry. We can use profiles, different shapes, so we can window these different shapes in and create surfaces from them. Something such as this job here, if we're filling holes in, I window the area, pick the curves that I want, hit my preview button, and accept it. Really quick and easy to fill areas of a tool in. More complicated shapes. Auto-constrain has a very good operation where it decides the order of the operation for you. You can see it took all of these shapes and put them together to create this shape. This can be optimal for conformal cooling options. Edge selection, again, if you don't have curves, it's super simple and easy. Just right click to skip the curves, press down, hold boundary, press down, hold boundary, and you can hit preview. And then the options, we have lofted surfaces, or tangent surfaces, or ruled surfaces. You can create any type of surface you want, quick and easy, with our auto-constrained options. Press and hold boundary, press and hold boundary, and you see the results that you get. We also have the option to use curves and edges. So in our auto-constrain command, if we want to select curves, we window the curves, and then we can go and pick the edges. Hit our preview button, and you can see we can create different types of surfaces using this command. These are some of the options that we have for our auto-constrained surfaces. Thank you for watching today.